crank it up. I need a new throttle body. That's why this is hanging here. Typical Chevrolet thing, but it's all good. Need a new throttle body and a new pedal sensor. Throttle body's like $200. The pedal sensor's pretty cheap. Yeah, I'm not really trying to spend any money on that right now. I got too much other stuff going on. My cousin called me this morning about 8 o'clock and told me that he needed me to pick him up from the rental car place by the airport. So we're gonna run out there, pick him up, and then take him to get his truck. He has a Sequoia. And after that, back home, or I might stop at Goodwill or Ross and get some new items from my eBay store. We'll see. So yesterday I dropped a video and I really couldn't express what it was that I wanted to express. They might be great at it, they might be learning themselves, they may be teaching others how to do it online, and here I am. A lot of times I'm watching videos of people doing things that I know how to do because I find it entertaining, when I could just be making those videos myself, which I find just as entertaining. I like to think I'm pretty creative. Maybe I'm not as good as other people, but I'm not concerned with that. That's not what matters. I'm on my own time. Do a little color grading, of course, and make sure you have a script of some sort and you're not just rambling, and you chop it up. If you know what you're doing, you'll make a good video out of it. I'm up here with my cousin. He's picking up his truck, but I saw this over here. The other side of the bed is messed up, but this would be a good parts truck. The rails on the side are good. These wheels are in much better condition than mine are. I asked him if he wanted to sell them, but he said it's the owner of the dealership, but he said he'll let me know. I'll probably just come back up here, honestly, and check myself. Oh, that's kind of destroyed, but whatever. This bed cover, it's in like 2 pieces. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wonder if he wants to sell that. I'll come back and see. Be pretty cool to have though. Alright, change of plans. It's hot. And I really don't have anything to work on. Like, I can show y'all my 240, but I don't really have anything to work on. And it also has a nail in the front left tire, so I can't really drive it either. So how about I just take some footage from a video I was supposed to make months ago and just put that together, and boom, you got a video. I bought a Jeep. It was an XJ Cherokee 4-wheel drive, Jeep, and I was gonna flip it. Well, I flipped it. I flipped it figuratively, not literally, like most Jeeps. It really didn't give me many problems. I just had to give it a good vacuum, give it a good wash. I think after putting a battery in it, I changed the oil, and I want to say it started up. Yeah, it started up on the second turn of the key. The starter was a little stuck at first, so I tapped it, and after that, there was no issues. No, I changed the crank position sensor, and then a few days later, the car wouldn't start again, and I ended up having to do camshaft position sensor. And there isn't really a true camshaft position sensor, but anyways, for lack of better words, it's a camshaft position sensor. Threw it up on Marketplace for a couple days, couldn't get anyone to buy it. I thought it was a great deal. Deleted the post, then I worked on the brakes, and then I threw it